In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use track changes in Microsoft Word, a handy feature that makes editing and collaborating on documents a breeze. We'll walk through the process together, step by step, so by the end, you'll feel confident using this tool in your own projects. First, let's open up the Microsoft Word document you want to edit. Whether it's a report, an essay, or any other piece of written work, having your file ready is the essential first step. Once you have your document open, the magic really begins when we turn on track changes. This is an essential feature if you're aiming to keep a record of all your edits and suggestions and to make sure none of them go unnoticed. To activate it, head over to the Review tab on the top ribbon. Within the tracking group, you'll find a button labeled Track Changes. Clicking this button will highlight it, signaling that every edit you make from now on will be meticulously recorded. For those who love shortcuts, you can also toggle this feature on or off using Ctrl plus Shift plus E if you're on a PC. With track changes active, any edits or additions you make are marked as suggested changes. If you insert new text, it will appear underlined and displayed in a different color, making additions easy to spot. On the other hand, if you delete text, that text will appear with a strike through or possibly in a balloon in the margin, also in a distinct hue. This visual distinction helps you and others quickly identify what has been changed. Another great feature is adding comments, which is perfect for providing feedback or additional notes. Simply select the text you wish to comment on, and then back in the Review tab, click New Comment. A comment box will appear in the margin where you can type your insights. Now let's talk about viewing options because seeing your document clearly is crucial. In the Markup group, there's a Display for Review drop-down menu. This is where you can decide how you want the markups presented. The Simple Markup option offers a clean view with a minimal red line in the margin, just enough to indicate a change was made without cluttering the page. If you want a more detailed view, select All Markup. This will show all the changes directly in the text with underlines and strike-throughs, which is perfect for a meticulous review. Alternatively, by selecting No Markup, you can see what your document will look like in its final form, though remember the changes are just hidden, not erased. Finally, you'll want to accept or reject these changes. Stay in the Review tab and look in the Tracking group. Press Next to jump through each tracked change, and from here you can either accept to incorporate a change into the document or reject it to dismiss and revert to the original text. If you're looking to streamline the process, use the drop-down on the Accept or Reject buttons to handle all changes at once with Accept All Changes or Reject All Changes. Once you're done with your edits, don't forget to turn off track changes by clicking the button again in the Review tab. Following these steps will ensure your document editing process is efficient and effective.